Afternoon, everybody. This is dethaddr, and I'm not in the death shop, and of course that's because I'm at Points West. This is our kitchen. It's not really a kitchenette, it's a kitchen and dining room. There's the view. Let's see if we can get this to come in there, darken up. There we go, we got ocean. And we get to go out by the corner there. A couple patios. Go walk outside. There's going to be some wind coming through for a sec. Downstairs, we have barbecue patio and our very own hot tub. And of course, we have Heather. Hi, say hi, Heather.
Hi.
She was trying to escape. I'm going to come back over here to the bedroom. It's a very nice furnishings here. And we'll just try and escape our stuff that's on the ground. There's our shower, very tall for somebody like me, which is very nice. And of course the bedroom. Very nice, very low. Take a look. There's my knee. Just barely above my knee is how high the platform bed is. So it's going to be our accommodations for 3 days, or 3 lovely evenings, I should say. The road coming down is a little a little bit scary for just a normal car like ours, but we made it down just fine. Anyway, it's our accommodations for the night. We'll catch you later.